All right, so you're looking for flashlights? Look no further. House Bell. This flashlight is seriously the only flashlight you're going to need. I have like 4 of these all around my house. By the front door, by the back door, by the slider. They're amazing. They're like $10 for 2. Let me tell you, this metal, it's like good metal and it's tiny. I even have one in my car. How convenient is that? Just push, regular, or if you're in danger, push it twice, and you get your strobe light. So great. But wait, how many batteries do I need? How many? One AA battery. That's all. That's all. 1 battery. All this bright light. Click on the link, click on the picture, go get yourself one of these. They're great.
This is the barn in the daylight, and this is the barn at night, over 100 feet away, and the light is plenty bright.